Nice to see you here. Okay. Okay, so 4 minutes na lang. Okay, okay, si Ma'am Edita nag-open na rin. I'm sorry, kamot ako ng kamot, makati ang likod ko. Okay. So, wow, ang sarap naman makipag-usap. Ang daming naka-open ng cam. Thank you for opening your cam. So, may inspire nito si GDL mamaya, ang ating speaker, kasi nga naka-open ng cam ng atin. Okay? So, you can still invite your guests and your fellow IRs. Marami po atang hindi nakapasok. We're only 21. So, let me see kung sino po ba ang nasa Zoom right now para mapokpok po natin at makapagpasok na. So, we still have here. Okay, nandiyan na po. Pumasok na si GD Remy Nazareno. Si Ma'am M's Ribs. Welcome po. And we have here Ma'am or GD Floor. Nakapasok na rin si Ma'am. We have Sir Antonio Sanyel from Santa Cruz, Ma'am Margarita ng Santa Cruz, and our Ma'am Nila Torno, SGL Nila Torno. Okay, pumasok na rin. And si Ma'am Susan Escaro. So, 3 minutes and we will start na po. Okay, so we are now 24. Kulang pa po kung kaya po 50. 26 more. Baka kaya pa po. So kindly invite them, send them the link para makapagpasok na po. In 2 minutes, mag-start na po tayo ng ating Zoom or ng ating presentation. Please, 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 invite. So, time, 1 more minute, and we will start. Okay, siguro mag-countdown tayo, ano? Okay, so, start na ako ng countdown ko. Kasi kailangan ko pang i-introduce ang ating beautiful, sexy presenter, okay? So, by the way, good evening everyone. Sorry, hindi po ako nakapag-good evening. My name is Abigail Nimes and I am your host tonight. So, about our speaker, a millennial mom from Seattle who used to work in the government under DepEd. She really realized there is more to employment, and so she joined Renown in 2020 to pursue entrepreneurship. In 1 week time, she became a one-star achiever, earning 50,000 in one particular week, and was able to travel for free in and out of the Philippines. Later on, she saw the bigger picture, and now she is a full-time businesswoman. Social media enthusiast as Miss Werpa on YouTube and Facebook. So now, let's all welcome and let's give her a powerful virtual applause to our GD Giselle Catani, who will be our presenter tonight. GDL, welcome po.
Yes, thank you so much. Bossing Abigail Nimes from Sultan Kudarat team. And of course, I would like to welcome all of our guests this evening who are with us. Thank you so much for your time. Kung kaya po natin i-open yung camera, that would be great because it will inspire me more na mag-share kung ano po yung magandang let's say great news that I am about to share to everyone. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. By the way, again, my name is Giselle Kitane. I'm from Chateau Negros Oriental. And I used to work in DepEd. Okay, I used to work in the government. Now, I started here way back 2020. So 4 years na po ako dito. And one thing I could really say is that I'm grateful to the person who invited me because of her invitation. Malaki po yung nagbago sa buhay ko, malaki yung nagbago sa pananaw ko, and I was able to appreciate more blessings in my life. So 2020, ngayon 4 years na po ako, the product is so good, but more importantly is yung ating negosyo, because kahit po saan tayo mapadpad, kailangan natin ng pera. Agree or agree? Kung kailangan mo ng pera ngayon, you can type the word money. Type the word money in the chat box, 'di ba? So ayun, the good thing about our company is it is from USA, and that we are paid in dollars, right? And all we need to do is to share kung ano po yung maririnig natin dito, especially to our family and friends, because I know kung ito ay nakatulong sa amin, definitely it will also help the people, especially yung mga loved ones po natin. Okay? So, if we are all ready, type the word ready in the chat box. Type the word ready, ready, ready. And still, we are 35 in Zoom. You can invite more. So please do send the link to your family and friends. Ayan. Thank you so much, Ma'am Nila. Ready. Jenny Marian, ready. Ems Rabes, ready. And we are all ready. Money and ready. Gusto ko yan. Okay, so now let's start with our presentation. So if you can see in our screen, okay, the name of our company is Renow Connect. Okay. So Renow Connect is a happy community of growth and development. Now, I would really say that the new era of prosperity and happiness is growth and development. Yun po yung nakita ko dito sa team, okay, dito sa community, yung growth and development, and that you will be able to find a second home or another family. Kasi when I was working in the government, I felt stagnant, okay? Personal experience ko po, I'm speaking from experience. I was seeking for growth, I was seeking for more, but unfortunately, hindi ko siya makita sa employment. Now, when I was introduced to Renow Connect, I was so happy that I was able to see people who think like me or who have goals in life. And that is one of the best things sa ating team, is that if you have a goal, kung meron kang gustong makamit sa buhay, definitely the team Renow Connect is here for you. Okay? So please use the heart reaction. And now, let's meet our co-founders. We have Mr. Mel and Amy Gill, okay? A very, very humble couple from California, USA. And ang dami na po nilang natulungan. So, personally, I was able to meet Sir Mel in one of our travel incentives. So, di ba? International travel incentive, free travel in Thailand. And I could really say, this person is very humble, very down to earth, and he really has a heart to help, especially din po yung kanyang wife. And in fact, because they created the Renow Connect, okay, they extended the Renow Connect here in the Philippines, madami na po silang mga taong natulungan. Okay? And of course, our future is bright with the Gill family because the company is 100% owned and operated. Okay? And we are actually headquartered in California, USA. Now, I would like also you to meet our partner, okay, the product formulator, Mr. Darren Long Sr. He is a former NFL and USFL tight end. Okay, if you are familiar with NBA here in the Philippines, NFL in the USA is far, far more bigger than NBA. So, hindi po basta-basta yung nag-i-endorse or nagpo-promote ng ating product. Okay? And I would like everyone to meet our flagship product, Black MP Living Powder. Okay? So, it is an 8-in-1 revolutionary beverage with 77 plus trace minerals, probiotics, electrolytes, and alkaline pH of 10. So, kaya siya tinatawag na Black MP because the color of the powder is black. And MP means minerals and probiotics. It's made of humic and fulvic minerals, super detoxifier, immune system booster, antioxidant. Yung gustong bumata, super anti-aging, and USDA certified 100% organic. Okay? And personally po, yung product ang laki po ng tulong sa akin. Because me and my partner, we've been in a relationship for a while. In fact, more than 10 years, hindi po ako nabuntis. But because of Black MP, it helped me get pregnant after 1 year of taking Black MP. And during my pregnancy, I experienced gestational diabetes. Nagka-diabetes po ako. But because of Black MP, natulungan po yung condition ko. And God is good. My baby is now 2 years old and a very, very healthy, young, beautiful daughter. Okay? So make sure if you have the time, you can also research more testimonials on Facebook, okay, on social media, or in Google. Now, since yung katawan po natin, hindi lang po minerals yung kailangan. Okay? Our body also needs yung tinatawag na vitamins. So it should be a couple of vitamins and minerals. Now, the good thing about our very new and very unique product is that yung vitamins po natin is naka-spray. As compared sa other supplements in the market, okay, yung vitamins po ng iba is naka-capsule, naka-pills, naka-tablet, but sa atin po is naka-spray siya. So we have 4 sprays, vitamin sprays, Be More, Dream, Relief, and Be Strong. Okay? And the good thing about vitamin spray is that it has faster absorption capacity. Up to 4 times higher absorption than pills or capsules. Kung makikita niyo po sa chart, spray vitamins have 98% absorption, so hindi siya masasayang. As compared to pills, capsules, wherein, let's say, 80% ng vitamins na iniinom natin is, i-excrete lang or ilalabas ng ating katawan because yung absorption ng pills, capsules is konti lang. But this one, because of this nanomist spray technology, mas mataas po yung absorption ng ating vitamin spray. Okay, and you don't need water for this one. Spray nyo lang po siya, okay? Sublingual or under the cheeks. So how do our spray vitamins work? Isa po siyang oral spray. Okay, spray inside your mouth. And sinabi ko na po kanina, it has a higher absorption than traditional vitamins because the nutrients are already broken down or emulsified, making them ready for body to absorb. Hindi na siya kailangang dumaan sa tiyan. Okay? And ito po, yung ating, let's say, technology, the newest technology in the vitamin, let's say, supplements. Okay? Meron siyang spray head, meron siyang nanospray particles, and meron din siyang spray tube. Now, you might be wondering, Ma'am Giselle or Miss L, magkano po kaya yan? Okay? Actually, I would say it's very, very affordable. Bakit? Because we are not using that traditional marketing. Okay? Yung product po natin is dinadaan siya sa direct sales. Now, if i-compare po natin siya, pag yung products natin is dinaan sa traditional marketing, ang daming dadaanan. From the manufacturing down to international distributors, regional, local distributors, retail outlet, and meron pang tinatawag na advertising and marketing. Of course, idadaan sa artista, idadaan sa TV, idadaan sa kung sino-sino dyan. But what if artistahin ka lang po? So dito na tayo sa direct selling wherein from the manufacturing, yung product is diretso na sa atin na mga consumers. And the good news, since we as consumers, we become distributors, we become the endorsers, we enjoy the bonuses, discounts, commissions, and incentives, and more in dollars. Okay, dollars, my friend. Kung gusto niyo po ng dollars, type the word dollars in the comment section or in the chat box. Okay, now, so how do we get started? Very simple lang po. Bibili lang naman tayo, okay? And the good news is pag bumili tayo ng package, of course, we have the product, plus we can now do the business. And doon po tayo mag-i-income ng dollars. So ano po yung mga packages natin? We have package 1, tech, which is 15,900 and you will receive a product worth 24,200. That's 2 Black MP plus 2 sprays, okay? And for package number 2, super, 29,900, you will receive products worth 58,900, 5 Black MP plus 4 sprays, and package number 3, Ultra, 63,900, you will receive a product value of almost times 2, 142,000, okay? you will receive 12 black MP plus 10 sprays. So ako po yung tatanungin nyo, kung magne-negosyo man lang ako, doon na ako sa ultra package. Bakit? It's value for money. Imagine, nagpalabas ka ng 63,900, you will receive products worth 142,000. Diyan pa lang bawing-bawi na, diyan pa lang malaki na yung magiging income mo. Okay? So we have packages 1, 2, 3, Tech, Super, and Ultra. Pag bili nyo po, automatic i-enroll kayo sa system. You will receive your 6-digit tracking code and you can now start doing the business. Okay? So, now let's talk about the business. Income disclaimer lang po, ladies and friends. Okay? So, sa atin pong negosyo, we don't believe in get rich quick schemes. Okay? So, matakot po tayo dyan. Now, income disclaimer, of course, you can earn millions here, because there have been already people who have earned millions. But the thing is, we need to work on it. Okay? Kailangan nating trabahuin. But the good news, kung hindi po kayo marunong paano gawin yung negosyo, andito naman po kami para tulungan kayo kung paano ito gawin. Okay? To the most exciting part, ways to earn. Okay. Actually, what I really love about our marketing plan is ang dami pong paraan para tayo mag-income. Number 1 is retail income. Pag nagbenta ka, okay? Pwede ka magbenta, of course. And number 2 is unlimited direct referral bonus. Okay, Mang Marites lang po tayo, my friends. Okay? And executive level bonus, meron din tayong team commissions or weekly cycle bonuses, President's Club bonus, Connect Lifestyle bonus, free travel incentives, and many, many more. Ilang bonus na po ba yan? Weekly pa po yan. Unlike po sa bonus na binibigay sa atin sa ng employer, maybe once or twice a year, but dito po sa atin, weekly po yung bonuses. Okay? Pa-heart reaction naman dyan. Now, we will be showing to you an illustration on how you can earn using our system. Okay? Once you purchase a package, you will be given a 6-digit tracking code for your online center and also password. You will receive this through your email. Now, what we need to do next is to activate. Okay? Activate your left and right transaction group. How will we do that? Simply refer 2 of your friends. Okay? Mag-refer ka lang. It doesn't necessarily mean na kayo po yung kakausap sa kanila. Refer meaning to say, invite nyo sila makinig sa Zoom, meron naman pong tao na magpe-present for you. So all you need to do is to bring them into the Zoom presentation or to the face-to-face presentation. Kami na pong bahalang mag-present or mag-explain sa kanila. Okay? Now going back to the illustration, activate your left and right transaction group by referring 2 of your friends. In this example, A and B. So we have unlimited direct referrals, $20, $40, and $90. Okay? Now, magkano yung magiging income mo dito? For example, pag may nagkuha ng tech, let's say si friend A kumuha siya ng tech, you will earn $40. Pag si B, kumuha siya ng super, you will earn $90. And in that alone, you earn a total direct referral bonus of $130. Now, what will happen next? Magiging team builder ka. Okay? Very important po yung team builder because yung ibang bonuses, it will depend kung magiging team builder ka na. So, the goal will be, once you join, as soon as possible, within 48 hours, okay, maging team builder ka. Now, what we need to do next is, of course, to help your friend A and B to earn. How will they earn? All they need to do is gawin yung ginawa mo, which is to refer 2 of their friends. And in this level, magiging executive level ka, you will earn a one-time bonus of $100. Okay? But meron pang mas maganda, yung tinatawag nating weekly cycle bonus ratio. Yung system po natin, it will use the ratio 1:2 or 2:1 at pag na-detect yan ng system, you will earn another income or bonus. So for example, in the illustration, the system, meron siyang na-detect na 1 left, 2 right, you will earn 1 cycle, that is $30. Meron pang 2:1, you will earn another $30. Now, my question is, yung apat, C, D, E, and F, gusto rin ba nilang mag-income? Definitely yes. So what do they need to do is to simply refer to. So help C, D, E, F bring their 2. And you will be in the founder level. At pag na-detect ni system yung ratio, 1:2. Magkano yung income mo? $30. Another 2:1. Magkano yung income mo? $30 na naman. And that is a total income of $350 or 19,600. Extra income lang naman po. Let's say 2 to 3 hours a day. On top pa yan sa retail sales. Okay? Very good or very, very good. Pa-heart reaction naman dyan. Okay. Now, on top of the other bonuses, meron tayong tinatawag na President's Club bonus. Ang dami pong gustong makamit yung President's Club bonus. Bakit? Of course, mas malaki yung income. Imagine, you can earn 1,000 US dollars or 56,000 pesos in just 1 week time. I was able to achieve this way back 2020. Now, I earned $1,000 in 1 week and of course, the recognition of 1 star. Pag 2 star naman, $2,000 or that's 112,000 in 1 week. 5 star, 280,000. 10 star, 500,000. Superstar, 1.4 million in 1 week time. And good news, on top of the bonuses, on top of the recognition, you will also travel around the world. Ladies and friends, hindi lang po sa Pilipinas, but from the Philippines to Asia, Mediterranean, Europe, USA, all expense paid po yan ng company. And in fact, kagagaling lang po namin ng El Nido, Palawan. And we have an ongoing promotion, which is 3 days, 2 nights, all expense paid to Vietnam. Okay, so wag nyo na pong patagalin. Why you should join right away? Because ito po yung pwedeng mangyari sa inyo. Okay, meron tayong tinatawag na power of duplication. So let's say for example, we have time and unit. In 1 week time, you are able to refer 2 of your friends. But let's say, lazy scenario, okay? Petex-petex lang. Busy tayo sa ibang bagay. So let's say, instead of 1 week, gawin natin 1 month. So in 1 month time, you were able to bring 2 of your friends, okay? Now on the second month, yung 2 of your friends will bring another 2. You now have 4 people additional sa team mo. On the third month, you now have 8. Ilang buwan ba meron sa isang taon? That's 12 months. So on the fourth month, yung 8 naging 16, yung 16 naging 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1,024, 2,048, 4,096. And in 1 year time, you have a total of 8,190 partners or members under your team. And for each partner or member, you will earn $10. Okay? And kung i-total po natin yan, how much is your potential income? That is $81,900 or in Philippine peso, that is 4.58 million, ladies and friends. And dito ko po na-appreciate na what if kaya mangyari sa akin to, right? I was just earning 25,000 in a month. Sa previous job ko, I was able to earn 50,000 in 1 week time. Now, ano kaya yung magiging life ko? Ano kaya yung magiging life mo if you earn 4.58 million in 1 year time? Kahit in 2 years time, right? And we are just talking about 8,190 partners. Now, my question is, gaano ba kalaki yung Philippines? Ilang tao ba meron sa Pilipinas? Ilang tao ba meron sa buong mundo, right? So 4.58 million is very possible here provided na gusto mo and you will work for it. So as what Einstein said, anything that works in the power of duplication is called the 8th wonder of the world. And since we are talking about business, meron pong risk yung business natin just like any other businesses. So let's go to scenario A. Let's say, gusto mo yung presentation, gusto mo yung business, nag-join ka agad at 7 p.m. Later on, yung friend A mo, nagustuhan din niya yung concept, nag-join siya 7:15 p.m. So since nauna kang mag-position sa system, lahat ng income ni A, let's say 2 million pesos, aakyat yan sa'yo. Since ikaw yung nauna. On the other side, si B naman, let's say nag-join din siya, he earned 3 million pesos, yung 3 million niya aakyat din sa'yo. So yung income ni A and B, 2 million, 3 million, that's a total of 5 million. Lahat ng yan, aakyat yan sa'yo since you were able to position yourself first in the system. Now, yung risk lang is what if, sabi mo, mamaya na, research ko muna, manang-hits ako sa ako ang partner. Hanap muna ako ng pera. So, yung nangyari, yung friend A mo yung nauna. Kasi sabi mo, mamaya na. But si A, gustong-gusto na niya. So, naunang mag-join si A. 7 p.m. Later on, naisipan mo, okay pala siya. So, nag-join ka na, 7:15 p.m. So, yung mangyayari, lahat ng income mo, si A na yung magbe-benefit. Now, the thing here is lahat ng income ni B, let's say 3 million, si A na yung magbe-benefit. Instead na ikaw yung mag-benefit sa 3 million earnings ni B, you will no longer benefit because naging cost of delay ka na. That's a total, let's say, loss on your side of 5 million pesos. Simply because of a 15-minute delay in your decision making, okay? Pera na sana naging bato pa. In fact, I'm so grateful na hindi to nangyari sa akin because I was able to position myself first in the system. 4 years na po ako ngayon sa negosyo. Yung duplication nangyari, I now have more than 3,000 people under my team. And hindi ko na po sila kilala. It happened to me because I positioned myself in the system first. Kaya wag nyo na pong patagalin. Okay? Listen na, magmahay. Now, we actually get paid through Metro Bank. That's every week. And for international commissions, MassPay. Now, the question is, are you ready to start? Are you ready to start? Okay? Now, you will only be the one who can answer that. But definitely, wag nyo na pong patagalin. Because we are just getting started. Nasa pre-launch stage pa lang po tayo. Most likely, this is the first time or you are the first person in your circle who was able to listen to this presentation. Nasa pre-launch pa lang po tayo. Huwag nyo na pong patagalin na mag-momentum tayo. Okay? Because definitely marami pa po ang makakarinig nito. Many people will love everything that we are talking about here. So wag na po kayong magpahuli. Okay? So that is my presentation. Thank you so much to everyone. And I would like to give this back to our host, Bossing Abby.
Wow. Thank you so much, GDL, for that wonderful presentation. Grabe. Kahit na ako, nalula pa rin. Ang tagal ko na itong napapanood, ako mismo nagpe-present, pero every time na naririnig ko to, para siyang bago sa akin. And na-excite ako. So sigurado yung bayan din. So ano yung inaantay mo? Balik na po kayo tao nag-invite sa inyo and sign up at form. And kung may yung laki kasi yung sarili nyo, di ba? May marami kayo, meron pa kayong maibibenta para po sa retail sales nyo. So now, wag na po magdalawang isip. So go na po. Sign na po kaagad. So ngayon po, ibibigay ko na rin po yung ating floor sa ating pinaka-gwapo founder, CEO here in the Philippines, ating millionaire maker, and he's in the business for more than 14 years. Grabe, ito talaga, idol na idol ko po. At gwapo po ako, pero mas gwapo po siya sa akin. Tatanggapin ko na po yan. And now, let us all open our camera muna para makita ni GGD ang ating mga beautiful and handsome faces. Tsaka mas mag-inspire siya na kausapin tayo kasi nga naka ng camera natin. So now, let's all together, let's welcome our Grand Global Director, Sir Harold Cañaveral, and let's give him a virtual applause.
All right. Hi. Thank you so much, Abby. Thank you very much. Virtual applause for Giselle. The presentation was amazing, and your introduction was just too much for me, but okay na lang. Pareho tayong gwapong dalawa. Who says that? It's our mother, okay? Our mother, the lying, in a way. I'm just kidding. So I'd like to welcome those guests who are here tonight. Thank you very much for being here, spending your time. Let me introduce myself once again. My name is Harold Cañabral. I'm 33 years old, 20 years ago. Just kidding, right? And I'm very happy to welcome also here si Philip from Cagayan de Oro. We also have Sister Morena. I think she's based in Qatar. And all the guests around, like, welcome. And again, let me just share with you a little about my background, why I'm part of this business or in this industry. And I believe most of us who are here, like ako, I hate network marketing. Di ako naniniwala sa network marketing. It's just that after my college, kasi pinag-aral tayo lahat, our parents want us to become successful. I applied for a job, and then, yun na nga, after working for a while, I go into business, and 85% of the newly opened business in the Philippines aspire the DTI. 85% will fail the first year, all right? And the remaining 15%, half of the 15% will fail on the following year. So in order for you to survive, you have to i-close mo na lang. Pero ako hindi, I have to sustain it. And what I did, I went into loans, right? So na-loan yung common na bahay nila ni mama, yung bahay ng mama at papa ko, they're all retired already. My mom is a public school teacher for 39 years, and my father, he's an engineer working in here in Negros Oriental. He's working in a sugar factory. Anyway, if you look at it, I think we can eat 3 times in a day. They can send us to school, but until that, it's wala na. There is no savings, there's no everything. And that is when I tried to, get some capital. I loan namin yung bahay na kumon. And long story short, after 5 years, I had this loan like 5 million pesos. And this is when life really, nabagsak lahat. Kasi I have like 5 businesses sinasabay ko. I was a distributor of this dressed chicken, which same company I'm working with before. They gave me the distributorship of Negros Oriental. And I have a restaurant in the only supermarket department store in Dumaguete at the time. My father and I, also have this a poultry, like we grow contract growing from Swift and Magnolia. I have 10 hectares fish pond, and I distributed all this dressed chicken all over Negros Oriental. And thank God, after 5 years, I have a loan 5 million. Because you know what? To be honest with you guys, if I'm going to ask you this, you will tell me, why should you fail in that? Let me tell you this. It's hard to earn money, correct? But it's harder to keep the money. It's so hard to keep the money, I'm telling you that. Especially when you are not really into business mindset, okay? So long story short, that is when really your life, I struggled so much, and I cannot stand seeing my parents, like, supposed to be because they're retired na kasi sila, they're supposed to have a good life, they have to rest and have fun, but because of me, they're facing the same problems I'm facing. Now, we're only 3 in the family, 3 kids, right? I have two sisters, and I'm the only son. So I'm supposed to be the one who will give them a good life, but what happened to the other way around, I give them a lot of problem. So what happened was, I went to, yung kasing younger sister ko, Isabel, she went to Dubai, and that is when I asked her to help me to be that, just like graceful exit, kasi every single day may naningil sa bahay. No, I'm not running away from my loans, but that is the thing. So guys, after arriving in Dubai, I was like a property consultant, real estate company, like broker. I worked for 6 months, and yung 5 million na loan, hindi ko nga nabayaran kahit yung 10% na loan na interest eh. And you know what is the worst thing that happened? The recession, way back 2008, 2009, world recession, and Dubai was hit very hard, especially those if you are in construction industry. And that was when my time na 4 buwan, 4 months, we don't have any salary. And afterwards, we thought all the while the salary will be, accumulated. But after a while, tinanggal kami lahat. And I cannot just tell I have 2 daughters, and I can just tell my 2 daughters, do not eat tonight, do not eat tomorrow because I don't have salary. So what I did, I have to swipe. I have 6 credit cards. I did not use it. But during that time when life really is hard, I have to swipe the card. And then doon ko nalaman din na pwede ko palang mag-swipe ka ng card, i-withdraw mo yung isang card, and then bayaran mo. Long story short, after 4 months, na-max out ko. Meaning, I spent all the 6 credit cards and another 250,000 dirhams in pesos. It's 3 million. Now, I have 5 million loan in the Philippines. I have 3 million in Dubai. And there are times in a week, 1D1 eat ka lang after like 4 na araw sa kasimana, kausal ka kakaon. So what happened was, when life really hits you hard, don't know lalaman, you will understand that you have to go back to Him, God Almighty, right? And then, because for me, this is a divine plan. This business is really a divine plan for me. I was not asking for this because we don't. I hate network marketing. I'm telling you, until I realized that this is the best industry on planet Earth. So I went to. I'm not telling you I'm a good person because I went to church every day, but I'm just telling you, there's always this one chance that we can do, right? Na kailangan magbago everything. And one day I received a call from my ex-colleague, and sabi niya, he's an Indian, Australian, half Indian, and medyo slang siya nagsalita. Sabi niya, hey mate, there's a new product being launched. So I was thinking on the while, merong lunch. I was thinking there's a lunch, okay? And 1D1 8 minsan. So right away, I asked him, the location, send me right away, I'll be there. Because we both came from a real estate, and once there is a launching of one property, it's whole day, whole night buffet. That was in my mind. I was thinking, this is it. Maybe I will eat so much so that in the next 1 week I will not eat. It's fine with me. And I don't know, the time when I reached in the place, it was not buffet, it was not everything because it was a presentation. It was almost like 1:30 in the afternoon. Pumasok ako. Nung nakita ko yung place, wala. It was just like, there are like 5 Indians. We call it in the Philippines 5, 6, Indian. And 1 South African black, and then 1 seat that is for me, vacant. He said, I reserved that seat for you. And all the while, I said, this is not, I think this is something I've seen in the Philippines. I think this is networking. So what I hate is, I don't even have money to buy food. How much? Because I believe that once you listen to this, there's always this money involved. Correct? So I said, I was acting a bit like I got my phone. I said, my boss is calling me. You know what he's telling me? No, you cannot leave. I reserved that seat for you for next 45 minutes. And after that, you can leave. Anyway, so I don't have a choice. I did not listen because that time the product was not like this. It was internet-based. So I'm not good in computer, by the way. I did not understand anything what they explained. And I'm very happy because I did not understand. But once this Indian guy was explaining about this duplication, like when you bring 2, your 2 will bring 2 will become 4 and 8. And I was having, and he said, in lazy scenario, you will be earning 5.8 million pesos. 5.8 million pesos in one particular year. I said, why? Why is it like this? I have a loan in the Philippines that's 5 million plus. I don't know where to get the money to pay for that. And then somebody's telling me this. And then I realize sometimes opportunity knocks very soft. We keep on praying for good things in life. And let me tell you this, this could be it, right? If you ask me, this is it. This is it. Those who don't know me yet, you will understand why. Because this is the one, I'm telling you, the reason why andito kayo sa Zoom ngayon. Like for me, I'm so grateful and forever grateful for that. Ex-colleague of mine was asking me to be present in this presentation. And long story short, ladies and gentlemen, the only thing I asked myself, anyway, kung mawalan ako ng, that was 13,000 dati yung entry fee. If mawalan ako ng 13,000, I will not die. Probably I said, ouch, masakit. But if that 5.8 million is the 5.8 million he's talking about, right? Mangyayari, and then I'm not part of it. That's the time probably I will go to the tallest tower in the world, that was Burj Dubai, and I will jump head first. Anyway, my friends, seeing that in the next month, I did not see any result yet, right? But as I keep on doing it, in 11 months, it just, you know what? Ginagawa ko lang yung sinabi na I just did what successful working upline is telling me to do. Ginawa ko in just 11 months, I was able to pay my 3 million pesos loan. And the following week, that was when I bought my first, it was my dream car, Jeep Cherokee, but that was a 2010 model. It's a 2010 model, and I did not pay it on cash. I just paid half. But again, it was 1.5 million pesos. And the rest, ladies and gentlemen, after this was history. I opened the Thailand market. I opened India. I opened the market even in what is this? Yeah, I forgot. There is this place near beside Dubai. My goodness gracious. This is another GCC country, and then I went back, went to the Philippines, and it was when the rest was history, guys. I can always say this. I am a living testimony, especially for the product that we're having right now. Amazing product, and also especially the income. I guarantee you this. I was the very first Filipino worldwide to hit the maximum earnings of this binary 2x2, $35,000 in 1 week, equivalent to 1.7 million in one particular week. Now, I'm not trying to brag about it, ladies and gentlemen. It did not happen overnight. Hindi siya nangyayari overnight. It took me like 4 years and 3 months to hit that. But my point, it's possible. Now, there is no difference between you and me because magaling pa kayo. Yung English ko lahat, all my English, my grammar is wrong. But sabi nila, English is good, but we need cash. It doesn't matter. We have the system. And with that, I would like to thank everyone for being here. Kung may mga questions kayo, right after, we can always assist you guys. And we are, remember this, all of you are here, first movers advantage kayong lahat eh. Kasi kalulong sila namin talaga, seriously, we don't even have, especially in Luzon, we don't have it. Cagayan, we don't have it. Jensen, dami market, and dami pa market, Tacloban, wala pa. Right, so guys, with that, I would like to give it back to our host, Buyat De Leon, aka Abigail Nunez.
Oh,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gigi. Thank you so much. Okay, so yun, narinig natin ang napaka-inspiring na story ni Gigi. So every one of us here has a story in our lives, di po ba? That's why we're here, and it's not by accident. This is really bound to happen to us. So what are you waiting for? Right now, just sign up the form, okay? And ilang 15,900 na bang dumaan sa kamay natin? Ilang 29,900 na ba? Ilang 63,900 na bang dumaan na walang balik? This time po, sigurado, garantisadong may balik po yan. So, do we still have? Okay, so let me introduce another one who's going to speak tonight. Okay, so maybe she will impart some inspiring words to us. She is a principal for a time, I think, is a school head and connected DepEd, and she is one of the highest paid, or ano ba yung tawag dyan? Highest earner in our company, Renow Connect. And she earned her 1 million in just 11 months. Imagine. And she is a teacher in the morning and a networker at night. So help me welcome our very, very beautiful, sexy, bubbly mom, or our senior global director, Susette Bagnol. Let's give her a virtual applause, please. Mom Susette.
Maraming salamat, SGL Abby from Mindanao Market. Yes, para sa mga andito ngayon, napakaswerte po ninyo at kayo dumalo sa Zoom natin dahil dito po nagsisimula ang journey ng ating mga kaibigan. Tama po ba? Okay, para sa mga baguhan at para sa mga guests natin, ako po ay isang part-timer dito mga kaibigan. I am 20 years sa DepEd and here 4 years, okay? Part-timer, pero alam nyo ba anong nangyari sa akin? I am not a networker, promise. I am just a traditional worker and dahil sa sistema na binigbigay po ni Gigi D. Harold yung nagapagsalita kanina, he is a millionaire maker and fortunately ngayon ako po ay isa sa mga tao na nabiyayaan. I work 5:30 abo mga kaibigan. I am a school head. So after work, dito ko tinatrabaho hanggang sa pagpasok namin. Nakaabot kami sa bukid, hinahabol kami ng aso. Patuloy pa rin kami nagpe-present kahit sa pandemic time. So basically, lahat ng mga sinasabi ni GGD ay purong katotohanan. From the bottom of my heart, alam nyo ba anong nangyari? Ngayon, ang tawa ko noon, baba, pero ngayon pataas na hanggang tenga. Bakit po? Dito ko lang nararanasan na makapag-earn ng dollar. And this is my backup plan because recently, last month, my husband was actually having that cardiac arrest, no? And buti na lang, andito yung Blackwater dahil sa medyo nataranta tayo, nailagay ko yung bakahap ng bottle yun, nailagay ko sa bibig niya. Sabi niya, kahit inaatake sa sabi niya, naitim na bunga ko pero because of Blackwater mga kaibigan, umabot po kami sa ospital. And na-shock ang doctor mga kaibigan dahil yung result ng kanyang mga blood test ay grabe ang effect, Miss Abigail, grabe ang nag-normalize kaagad siya and then hindi siya na-paralyze ba? Na-shock ang doktor. Alam nyo, 8 days kami sa ICU, my dear friends. Wala akong tulog pero hindi man lamang ako nakaranas ng pagod dahil laklak ako ng Blackwater. Okay, doon ang produkto natin, wala na akong masabi mga kaibigan. When it comes to income, sino ba namang simpleng empleyado na part-timer lang na nakakakuha ng 1 million in 11 months? Yung pinaghihirapan ng mga kasama ko na 39 years na sa kinuha ko lang ng months. Okay? And now, this year, from January to this month, nakuha po natin yung $10,000 mga, almost, $10,000, Miss Abby. That's big enough, right? That's 500,000. So, talagang kung nangyari sa akin, bakit hindi mangyayari sa inyo? Okay, hindi ko pa ina-add on yung 2022, 23, okay? So talagang may pera dito. Yung tinatawag nila ng power of duplication dahil sa sistema na ipinapalabas at itinuturo ni Sir GGD sa akin, sa aming lahat, nakakakuha po tayo ng dolyaris. Ayoko nang pumunta sa ibang bansa dahil dito na ang pera sa Rinaw Connect. Kaya ganito po ako kaganda ngayon. Noon hindi nyo madrawing yung mukha ko dahil ito marami punong-puno ng warts yan. Ngayon pwede na akong magdamit ng ganito dahil ang kinis-kinis ko na po dahil sa Blackwater. Okay? Enjoy the benefits of the product. Enjoy the money, my dear. This is the best business na napasukan ko. Empleyado ako pero meron akong negosyo sa halagang 13,000 lang. Ano pang iniintay ninyo? Mindanao, ito na, kunin niyo yung 1 million by December and you will not see the price. Hindi nyo natitingnan yung price tag. O, diba? So, GGD, Sir Mel, from the bottom of my heart, Ma'am Odi, Isabel, ako po ang isa sa mga tao na bibiyayaan ninyo and I will never stop doing this because Rinaw Connect is now. So with that, my friends, sa mga nagdadalawang isip pa dyan, wag na, mag-isang isip ka na lang at kumukunin mo yung sign up form dyan, mag-register na kayo kagad and you have questions, pwede kaming magsagot sa inyo, okay? So with that, sana marami pa po tayong sasali sa negosyong ito dahil nasa ating kamay na ang ating hinahanap at naibalik na muli ang ating mga dreams. Tama? So, from the city of gentle people, I am Suzette, a humble servant po and a humble distributor ng ating Rinaw Connect. Naway kayo ay maging ehemplo sa mga taong nangangailangan ng tulong na hindi namin maabot at dahil sa inyo pwede namin silang mapuntahan. With that, God bless you more and maraming salamat and I love you all. Maraming salamat. Good night.
Okay, thank you, SGD Suzette, for that wonderful and inspiring words. Okay? So ano pa nga bang inaantay natin? Ako din po ay nag-earn na rin po every week and no zero week po talaga ako. Sa totoo lang po, nakita ko na po talaga ang kagandahan nitong company na to. Ano pa bang inaantay natin? Imagine, magiging healthy ka na at hindi po nakakahiya o hindi po mahirap ibenta or i-introduce ang ating product because ito po talaga is very, very effective. And hindi lang po yung product. Ang product po natin dito is we help people change their lives. Di po ba? In terms of health and in terms of your finances. I have nothing against po sa mga nagre-receive ng salary pero your salary can support you but this company can give you time and financial freedom. So what are we waiting for? Sign that form. Balik po kayo muna doon sa inyong mga tao nag-invite sa inyo, sign that form and we welcome na po namin kayo dito sa aming company. And with that, this has been Abigail Nimes. I'm your host for tonight. And signing off. Goodbye.